Hello everyone, welcome to today's morning broadcast. Dear S1 and S2 schoolmates, did you enjoy the first round of readathon?
I'm pretty sure you all enjoyed the activity so much and had fun in it.
I'm sure many of you want to know the results and rankings of the first round of readathon.
Then you should pay attention now.
First, let's look at the names of students who rank above level 3 and attain good performance in each S1 class.
1A 陳依樂、胡博仁、林樂彤、李元華、馬君興、張家瑞、賴浩洋。
1B Omar, Muskan, Tekemfu, Pojai, Ayan, Prashant, David, Atran, Sabik, Jackson, Sumaya, Aaron, Bin, Hannah, Drake, John Paul, Yalung, Mattia, Dylan.
1C 曾振廷、1D 蔡子晴、馮日軒、高石希、韋子穎。
1E 陳舒希、陳偉亮、陳賢文、鄭子峰、張正南、蔡浩天、朱柏橋、許明津、林燕玲、劉業星、李天明、梁浩君、劉希林、彭純偉、譚浩忠、譚子瑩、鄧錦榮、黃卓希、黃依晴、黃妍希、胡海傑、鍾義錦。 Congratulations to all of you. We truly hope that you could achieve a better result or maintain the highest level in the second round of readathon.
How about S2 classmates? We'll see them next time.
Thank you for your attention. Enjoy your day. See ya.